How to cancel Adobe subscription without a fee. First of all, open up your browser or open up the Adobe application and then sign in to your account. Once you've signed into your account, go to Plans and Payment and then select Manage Plan. Then choose Cancel your plan. Before confirming, Adobe will show you whether a cancellation fee applies or not. Now, here is the important part. If you're still within Adobe's eligible refund period after purchasing your plan, you may be able to cancel and receive a full refund. But if you have an annual plan paid monthly and you are outside the refund period, Adobe may charge an early cancellation fee. So don't follow random tricks claiming they can magically remove the fee. Instead, check the cancellation terms shown on your account. If you believe the fee should not be applied, contact Adobe customer support and ask them to review your subscription before canceling. That's the safest way to avoid an unexpected charges. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.